The fireworks starting! Finally! Oh my god, so beautiful. Wow.
I told you.
Hour-long shows.
Yeah.
That was back when our country had some money before you fucks were born and ruined it.
This is beautiful. Happy 4th of July, even though it's not 4th. Happy early 4th of July. This is beautiful. Oh, whoa, that's big. Okay, now they're going with the big ones. This is beautiful. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful. I should take out my jacket. It's so freaking hot out here. Oh my god, so beautiful. I'm recording and putting on YouTube. I can't see you right now because everything's all black.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Maybe at home I can record you. Maybe.
So you think we're gonna play hide and seek in our house?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, we forgot.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna be Vanos.
Okay.
I love Vanos. Samantha,
Yeah.
I think I have an
Oh my god, that's cool. Okay, what?
Samantha, maybe I'm gonna hide my mom's room. I'm just gonna give you a hint so you can find me all right because I'm getting tired.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for telling me.
I'm gonna go underneath the bed in my mom's room in our house. So you're gonna be first, right? I count?
Yeah.
Okay. But if you found me, I'll tell you something.
Whoa, these are cool.
Yeah. Wow.
Very good for romantic dates. Is that my soda that you're drinking? You drink my soda!
No.
How dare you?
No, I got that at that.
You just crushed it like, nope.
I'm gonna squish it.
H2O now.
I'm gonna squish that soda. That's what
Okay,
I'm gonna do.
I'm H2O.
Look,
No, I'm H2O.
look, I squished the soda. I squish it.
Yeah, Venus.
Look, I squished the soda. I squish it.
Ah, that hurt.
Yeah, poison. It's Sharpie too. I'm
This is
touching
beautiful.
it. And it doesn't hurt my finger.
Somebody,
Wait, this is spot. This is spot over here.
I love this. Best party ever, guys.
you know how to sound like Deadpool? No way.
I love. Whoa.
I want to play Who's Your Daddy.
Oh yeah, who's your daddy?
Oh, I hate that game.
I love that game.
H2O.
I hate that game.
Who wants to play it?
Not me.
I'm not done recording this because I'm recording.
Who's the daddy? But it's inside.
I just want to play hide and seek.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my gosh, so hot here that I'm sweating.
I call
Yeah,
it
so check
H2O.
out my jacket.
I'm still
It's,
being banned on.
Josh, hold my camera. Record the ones that's blowing up in the sky, please. Oh my god, that's hard. Yep. Ow!
Alright, so here's the recording video.
Whoa! That is awesome.
I never,
I didn't mean to take a picture of it.
I never seen that before.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god, big. Ah! It's lightning. Samantha,
What?
after my birthday's over, we're going to the carnival. Remember that? At Saturday?
Yeah, but their birthday's on February.
But it's
Yeah.
your birthday?
After my birthday's over, then my favorite present that I'm gonna get is a carnival until Saturday.
Next year.
Until next Saturday. So
Next year.
you want to go to the carnival? You can tell your mom after my birthday's over.
Don't
Next Sunday,
freaking next year.
Saturday,